Hey guys, welcome back. It's me Rajjan Sharma, and in this video we will talk about that how can we enhance the security of our APK in order to protect it from reverse engineering and also from hackers, so they will not be able to steal your code and they will not be able to crack the code from APK file. Okay, so it's a very simple process that you have to do in order to protect the code, or you can say the bytecode of your project. So they will not be able to get your API keys, they will not be able to get your code, your logic, your backend access, and it will enhance, you can say it will protect your APK. Okay, so what you have to do is there are multiple ways of protecting your code. Now in this video I will show you the easiest way that you can do. Okay, all you can have to do is you have to simply enable this minify enabled and you have to pass the value true here. So it will simply enable the pro guard, and it is a file that enhance, or you can say that protects your code. Okay, after the conversion, like when you convert your APK or when you convert your code into APK, so it will simply make it in some form that makes hackers difficult to understand. Okay, and you can also write few more lines like shrink resources, and you can pass it true, and also next one is debuggable and false. So but guys, there are few conditions when you use these two lines like shrink resources or debuggable. When you use this line shrink resources, so it will simply reduce the size of your APK, it will simply reduce the size of code, it will simply reduce the size of memory that your file will take. Okay, but the drawback is if you are using classes, like if you are using model classes, if you have main classes, so it also reduces their value. Like if you will create application, it is working absolutely fine, and then you add this line shrink resources to reduce the size of APK, and then when you will run the app, so your model class will not work, your static classes will not work, because their names, their value will be shrinked. So when you try to insert some data in database, so you will face error, your application will crash and it will not work fine. Okay, so if you are going to use these two extra lines, then make sure that you write keep classes, you have to pass the parameter in your ProGuard file here. So here you have to write like keep, like here you can see keep class members, you have to write keep specifically class name. Okay, and I will make a detailed video on that part, but for now if you want to enhance the security, simply write these three lines. And after, make sure that if you want to write these string resources, so make sure you pass the keep classes name here, so it will not shrink that specific part of class, that it will not shrink the model class, so your application will not crash and it will not create any problem, and you will be able to upload it on Play Store. So for now I would recommend you guys to please only go for these first line. Okay, it is safe to use, but rest two lines are also safe, but you just have to take some precautions. So if you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss any update. Thank you for watching.